Welcome to Richard Language. Today I'm going to talk about the model word ma. Let's get started right now. Okay, the first usage we talk about is to form a yes-no question. And I give you the key one. Remember not to use this word for WH questions. For example, 这是什么?什么 means what? So this sentence is a WH question. So you cannot use ma here. So the second sentence, 这是什么吗? This is a wrong sentence in Chinese because we don't use ma in a WH question. So please pay attention. Okay, then the key two, the way we use the word ma is just put this word in the end of a sentence. For example, 他是学生。他是学生。He is a student. If we want to change this sentence into a yes-no question, then we just add ma in the end of this sentence. For example, 他是学生吗？他是学生吗？ You know, like in English, we change the sequence of the words. But in Chinese, it is very easy. We don't change any sequence of the word. We just put the word ma in the end of this sentence. And then this sentence becomes a yes-no question. Okay, then how do we answer this kind of yes-no question in Chinese? It is very easy. You just find the verb in your question, like this sentence. 他是学生吗？是 means is. It is the verb in this question, so we use this verb to answer the question. For example, 是 is the verb, and you just answer 是, which means yes. And you can say 不是, 不是, which means no. So this is the way we answer the yes-no question in Chinese. Okay, right now, let me give you another example. 你喜欢红色。你喜欢红色。You like red. And what should we do if we want to change this sentence into a yes-no question? It is very easy. You don't need to change any sequence of the word. In Chinese, you just put the word ma in the end of this sentence. So that is, 你喜欢红色吗？你喜欢红色吗？ So this sentence becomes a yes-no question. I think it is much easier than English. Okay, then how do we answer this question? Just like what I said, you just find the verb in the question. What is the verb? Yes, 喜欢, like, is the verb. Then, if you want to answer yes, then you say 喜欢. And if you want to answer no, then you say 不喜欢. 喜欢 or 不喜欢. So all the time you find a verb in the question, then you know how to answer that. Okay, to make sure you understand everything, let me give you one more example. 彼得吃米饭。彼得吃米饭。Peter eats rice. How do we change this sentence into a yes-no question? Yes, we need the word 吗 So it is 彼得吃米饭吗？彼得吃米饭吗？ Again, unlike English, we don't need to change any sequence of the words. We just put the word 吗 in the end of the sentence. And then, how do we answer it? Yes, quickly we find the verb in the question. Where is it? Very good. 吃, eat, is the verb. So if you want to answer yes, then you say 吃. If you want to answer no, you can say 不吃, which means no. So it is the way we use the word 吗 to form a yes-no question, and also we know how to answer this kind of yes-no questions. All the time you find a verb in a question, then you know how to answer them. Okay, let's talk about the second meaning of the word 吗. And the second meaning is to make sure of something. And the usage and the term and the sentence we use is like 是吗? 是吗? Which means it is so or right. And the sentence pattern is, first of all, you say a sentence and then you follow with 是吗? Which means right or is it so? Okay, let me give you some example sentences. 他是你的朋友，是吗？他是你的朋友，是吗？ He is your friend, right? So you use 是吗 to make sure whether or not he is your friend. Okay, the next one. 海人喜欢学汉语，是吗？海人喜欢学汉语，是吗？ Helen likes to learn Chinese, right? Again, we use 是吗 to ask whether or not Helen likes to learn Chinese. Okay, right now, let's talk about the third meaning of the word 吗. And the term we use is 好吗? 好吗? Which means, is it okay? Or please? And the sentence pattern, again, first of all, you say a sentence, and then you follow with 好吗? 好吗? You can also say 可以吗? 可以吗? Both have the same meaning. Okay, let me give you some example sentences. 我想吃你的苹果，好吗？我想吃你的苹果，好吗？ I want to eat your apple. Is it okay? Or it's like, please, I want to eat your apple. Okay, the next sentence. 借支笔可以吗？借支笔可以吗？ Borrow the pen. Is it okay? Or it's like, please borrow me the pen. Okay, let me give you the summary. Let me give you the summary of 是吗 Okay, let me give you the summary of 是吗 and 好吗. Okay, 是吗 which means is it so or right? And we use this to make sure of something. And 好吗 which means is it okay or please? And we use it to ask for someone's permission. Okay, to make sure you understand everything, let's do some more practice. 理查正在吃午饭。理查正在吃午饭。Richard is eating lunch. Okay, I'll give you like 5 seconds. You tell me, should I use 是吗 or 好吗? Yes, you're right. We should use 是吗? 是吗? Because you want to make sure whether or not Richard is eating lunch. Okay, the next one. 教我英语。教我英语。Teach me English. Okay, can you tell me I should use 是吗 or 好吗? I'll give you 5 seconds. Very good. We use 好吗 because you want to ask someone's permission if he or she can teach you English. Very good. Okay, let's see the next practice. 请订阅。请订阅。Please subscribe. Okay, I'll give you 5 seconds to think about it. Yes, very good. The answer is 好吗? 请订阅好吗? And please do so, okay, right now. You click the button, okay? Yeah. Okay, the next one. 你正在学习汉语。你正在学习汉语。I'll give you 5 seconds and please you tell me the answer. Very good. The answer is 是吗？你正在学习汉语，是吗？ Because it's like we're making sure of something. Okay, I hope you like today's video and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you next time. 再见。